Wicked Witch. Jacinta?
Seem to have had a bit of a stutter.
All right.
Jacinta.
Oh.
Jacinta Andrews.
Jacinta Andrews.
That's the one.
Yeah.
We mourn the loss of our premier.
Oh, no.
Our unelected premier.
So the billboards worked.
They did work.
The mobile billboards worked.
They did.
Ditch the witch.
Yes.
Yeah. Although that was just bullying. It's okay if she says it about other people, but it's bullying if we say it about her.
Oh, right.
So in case you guys don't know, the Premier of Victoria resigned.
Yay!
What was it? A half an hour before the actual vote took place, so she wouldn't get the boot.
Yeah.
So I can say, no, I didn't get the boot. Didn't get the boot. I resigned.
My own accord.
Yeah.
She'll live quite happily on a massive
Parliamentary pension.
Parliamentary pension. Yeah.
Not to mention whatever she's accumulated over the last few years.
Oh, hang on, not out of that 15 billion that's gone missing.
Oh.
That's just hearsay.
Oh, hearsay.
There's always more
and
news.
I said it right here.
Yeah, you did. That's true.
Yeah, I did.
Give us a rundown. Why did she quit? Why she was so up herself, so confident? Why would she just resign?
Oh, because she's a team player. She didn't want to let her side down.
If she just had that manner of thought the whole way through, she should have quit on the first week.
Or just not started, really.
Or just never
Don't
started.
start. If you don't know the backstory,
Yep.
the tension became very public on Sunday, the 26th of July, so a few days ago. Pressure grew within the Victorian Labor over Jacinta Allan's leadership. Ben Carroll emerged as a potential challenger, and questions were raised about whether Miss Allan still had the support of Labor MPs. We don't care whether she's got the support of the public, mind you, only if she has the support of her other fellow Labor members.
Mind you, he was the only one to put his hand up and he was unchallenged.
Who's this? Ben or Carol?
Ben Carroll. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ben or Carroll.
Yeah. Both of them. So
Sounds-
we've got two premiers now.
Yeah, it just depends how he identifies on the day.
That's right. So then, as of Tuesday, Jacinta resigned. Ben Carroll becomes premier. He was elected leader of the Labor Party, and the Governor General signs off on it and goes,
The Victorian governor. Yeah.
Yep. And so now
Wow.
he is our new premier that, again, we did not elect.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, well, that's true.
We didn't elect Jacinta. We didn't elect Ben
No.
or Carol
And we just hate Dan.
So he's in it for another year or so.
until the next election is 18 months or something.
Yeah, well, his pay packet just jumped up,
Yeah.
didn't it?
did for sure.
I don't know too much about this, I don't know, fella or person, but
Ben.
they,
His name's
them.
Ben.
Okay. I don't know too much about this person. Do you?
I like Steve Carroll. He's funny. Isn't he that comedian?
Well,
Don't judge them all because
Oh, I
of one
wonder,
dude.
are they related?
At some point.
Yeah.
at some point.
I
we
don't
go
know.
rewind
Aren't we
5.5 million years.
Aren't we all like kind of related in some kind of aspect at some point?
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Far enough away that you're not my brother.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Yes. The question is though, should premiers be able to just replace each other?
Well-
Or should they all have to be elected by the public?
Well, I mean, I guess you need to have that 2IC sort of emergency thing to jump in.
He was deputy.
Yeah, he was deputy, but we never voted for him to be deputy.
No. The party voted for him.
The party
Yeah.
does.
Yeah.
I mean, look,
I've never been invited to that sort of party.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like the voting system. I've said this a few times on our different casts, and I don't trust it. I don't like it. It's always filled with some fraudulent activity. And
Backroom dealings.
yep, just like if you follow AFL and let's say you go for Essendon, well, you don't have a say in who they're going to get as players next season.
No.
They just go ahead and do it, and you've just got to vote for them and cheer for them. You know, so it's a bit like that. It's brainwashing into the max, but
Do you think the public wanted her to go though?
Oh, my God, yes.
Yeah.
Well,
I think
certain sections of the public wanted her to go.
Yeah.
yeah.
The sooner the better.
But do you think certain sections of the public wanted her to go or certain sections of the public wanted the Labor Party to go? And does it make a difference now that she's gone and Ben stepped in? Are we going to see a difference?
She
None
was
whatsoever.
just as ruthless and didn't answer questions clearly.
Same as Daniel Andrews.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly.
That's
And
because there must be some prerequisite if you're a politician to have a bad memory. So it's been a really good job for me
Yeah.
because I can't remember anything.
Yeah.
I don't
Because all
recall.
they say is I don't recall.
Well, yeah.
And they all support each other because they must all have bad memories and they're like, oh God, I know what that feels like. All right,
so
mate,
if
no worries.
that's all you need to say to get off of
I don't
a
recall.
potential crime.
Yeah, I don't recall.
Yep,
I can't just remember if I can't remember.
that's it. Well,
Sorry, Judge.
Yeah.
I don't
so
know where the $15 million went.
I don't recall.
15 billion. No Royal Commission here. Let's all vote against it.
Yeah,
but no.
the poor Dale can't remember.
Needs to go in one of those homes, doesn't it?
There's a name for that. For this new leader, Ben, how do you think that's going to go with the problems? Like there's a cost of living, healthcare, housing issues, state finances and infrastructure. All of the main things that you would think that are important within a party are all up the shit at the moment.
What do you reckon they're going to do?
Absolutely bugger all.
Yeah.
No, I think
Because
he's gonna say
everything
the
will
opposite.
stay the same. It's all the same paperwork on the desk, and they've just put a new face to front the camera,
Yep.
and hopefully he'll be a little bit better talking to the camera, talking to the public, and they'll figure, oh, he looks like a nice guy.
Yep. It's strange, you know. A lot of us humans, we're so quick to forget the shit that government officials put us in. And if this Ben talks on the nice side, probably shows a couple of good things here and there, people will go, oh, Labor's not that bad. And they might be persuaded to vote for them again at the next election.
Yeah, well, assuming that voting isn't rigged. I said assuming that it's not rigged, then I would think if I was a political person and I wanted to get the public to vote me in again, this would be the time where I would talk the talk and pretend to do things, maybe make some really, really minor changes so people think that I'm different,
Yep.
knowing very well that I'm not. But it's enough to just get me over the line so people vote for me and then I go back to doing whatever it is I want to do for the next 4 years.
Because the reality is, whoever is the figurehead at the top, premier, all he is a figurehead, or she. They don't decide what happens. It's the party room that decides what is going to happen, what the agenda is, what the
Yeah.
policies are.
Yep.
But you don't think that that person at the top has power? I'm not saying that the role gives them any power. In itself, it should be decided as a party. But like with Dan Andrews, for example, I felt like the stuff, whether it was his ideas or whether it come from somewhere else,
Yeah.
I felt like he ran his party like a dictatorship.
Yep.
And no one could question what he said. So if that's the case, that whole idea that the party has a choice and it's the party's concepts and ideas is not really true,
Well, that's what
is
he was
it?
saying. It should come from the party, not an individual.
But it doesn't.
In Dan Andrews' case, it didn't because he was high on authority because of we went through the COVID years and he was allowed to do some emergency powers and he was right up his backside. He loved it.
But you don't think Jacinta was the same?
She's been put through the same school, but she hasn't got authority powers like emergency powers like Dan Andrews did. I don't know. Do you think she acted more on her own, or
I don't think she needed emergency powers to bring in things that were shit.
yeah? But so what has she brought in?
I don't actually know. I just don't like her.
Yeah. So what's your point?
My point is, if you're saying though that the party has to agree on
That's
what
how it's
it
meant
is,
to work,
that's
yeah.
how it's meant to be. I still don't feel like it's necessarily that way. I feel like there is this power that the person who is premier has over them, even if it's not supposed to be that way. It seems to be that way. Well, it definitely was with Dan Andrews.
It definitely was with Dan Andrews. I think she learned her trade under Dan Andrews, so she had a down pat of how to talk to media, how to answer questions, how to...
Or not answer.
Avoid
how to
answering
conveniently forget. So she learned from the best as far as that's concerned. Did she have any positive impact on Victoria after Dan Andrews left?
Well, she definitely had an impact on Victoria.
Well,
Yeah,
mean
all negative.
Positive or negative? But there was a whole lot of migration already happening. Really.
Oh, well, in reality, she doesn't really have much control over migration. That's a federal issue. But as regards to land taxes and a whole host of other state things that she brought in, it's very negative. I cannot think, honestly, and I'm trying to be fair, I cannot think of a single positive thing
that everyone,
that she has.
everyone cheered to.
Yeah, I mean, think of the machete man.
They
Yeah,
were amazing.
yeah,
We got a lot of good jokes out of that.
yeah, that's true.
It didn't help with crime or getting rid of machetes, but
Or gangs for that matter.
yeah.
Well, that's true. I mean, I can't think of anything that everyone said, yeah, that's fantastic. No, it's great that she done that.
Yeah,
So,
not a single one. I'm
No.
trying to think of one to try and be fair.
Yep.
As much as I don't like it, but I'm trying. Okay,
Yeah.
let's try and be fair. Think of one thing. I can't think of one.
No, and this
That's
is
sad.
And this is why we need to bring back public floggings.
To make
You
the
know.
pollies accountable.
That's right.
Public executions, apparently that's a thing too.
Well, it was history repeats itself. They used to do it.
Well,
Yeah,
if
for
we're
politicians only.
if we're talking executions, crucifixion is the way to go.
Yeah, all we need is 3 nails and a hammer.
No, explain to me why. I feel like that there's kind of like a more spiritual aspect to that she may not deserve.
Yeah, because I really want her to burst into song singing that.
Are we talking like Body of Christ or Holy Grail?
Holy Grail. Holy Grail.
Different version then. Yeah. Different.
The Bright Side of Life. I reckon that's a great song.
It is.
Yeah.
Time will tell with this Ben fella, eh?
That's true. We'll see. Is he same brush as Jacinta?
Yeah.
Look, at the end of the day, there is nothing much that he can do, but in state, the agenda has already been set. All the money is already being spent.
Has she put a stop to anything or added something that this fella could either reverse?
If he comes out with something really radical and very soon, like, I don't know, changing the age of where you're criminally liable as an adult, for example, bring that back to a lower stage.
For the state.
Yeah,
Okay.
because they're
To help
state
with
issues.
crime.
Yeah.
Making mandatory laws or mandatory sentences for certain crimes.
Okay.
If they were to bring in sort of hard stuff like that from his position of just being put into that position, I'm going to make some changes. If he were to do some really hard stuff like that right from the beginning, people would think, hey, he's not a bad guy. I'm going to go with him.
Yeah.
I don't think he's got the backbone to do that because the party wouldn't allow him, because don't forget, the only reason they're in power is because the Greens are holding their hand.
If they do anything too drastic, then that's going to upset the Greens.
Yeah,
and
which
then
means
the
they're going to
balance is
lose
gonna
it
be
anyway.
out.
So if you're on the fence whether you're going to vote Labor at the next election, well, just don't. Yeah.
just don't.
Yeah. Don't be fucking fooled.
There is a solution though. When anything doesn't work, we just turn it off and on again.
Oh,
Do you reckon anyone's tried that? Just turn it off and
like
on.
a hard reset.
Like a hard reset. Like your router,
Yeah.
your computer's not working, just turn it off and on.
And then when it does turn back on, Trump will be our premier.
Let's start with maybe Pauline.
Yes. That's
Little
it.
closer
That's the
to home.
female version of Trump.
Yes, it
That's
is.
the one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's start with Pauline, see what Pauline can do, and then maybe work our way out.
PH, come on.
And if she does get in, I'm going to be ordering bulk fish and chips, provided she gives me the chicken salt.
Ooh, jeez.
All right, guys.
Wow.
So just remember, don't get fooled by this Ben fella. The acorn doesn't fall too far from the tree.
Tied with the same brush.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, that's very good.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yep. And follow on Rumble.
Follow on Rumble. And if there's anything you'd like us to talk about that we can't talk about on YouTube, please put it in the comments below and we can put that on Rumble.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Especially for
baby.
you.
Even if it's a good conspiracy theory.
Oh, no,
with
we don't
tinfoil hat wearing shit.
Shit.
I love that.
Mickey's Day, come on.
Yeah, but give me a topic and I'll love to talk about it with you.
I'll provide the alfoil.
Oh, thank you.
Catch you guys.
See
See ya.
What was that?